This is motion flow. You've all seen those epic scroll video sequences on all of these award-winning websites and probably wondered how to build one. Well, this video is your answer. Motion flow lets you create exactly that directly inside Wix in minutes. No code required and no complicated setup. Let's dive right into it.
Okay, now let's try to combine what we have done so far with our last widget, which is motion flow. Motion flow is basically a scroll-based, scroll-triggered video. Same as for the spline widget, we set it to 100% width and 100% viewport height. And position again to sticky, not keep in front. Always make sure the layer is behind all the elements you want to have in the foreground. Okay, now settings. We again have a few different videos we created for you here. You can basically use these templates to just check it out quickly how this tool works. Okay, now let's refresh that. So you basically just scroll down, and as you scroll down, the video plays, so it plays forward and also backwards if you scroll up again. Okay, let's try a different one. Cheetah, that's actually one of my favorites. It's a little bit larger, there's animation there, but it's a pretty cool animation in my opinion. So as you scroll down, the cheetah runs. Yeah, and also we have again this animation. As you see, these kind of tools are, when used combined, a pretty cool mix, and yeah, you can also upload your own custom videos. So in this case, we will just use one I created. So you just wait, it's being automatically sequenced, compressed and hosted on our servers. So you just click on finalize, there you see the animation, publish again, and you will see live on the website. Same as for the other ones, you basically scroll, and as you scroll, the video is playing and also backwards again.
Well, this was a first introduction to motion flow. If you got curious and want to create those amazing scroll video sequences for yourself, you are free to do so. Just go to the Wix app marketplace and search for motion flow. It's free to install and it's super easy to use, as you just saw. We're excited to see the results and everything that you guys create with the widget. If you have any questions about motion flow or any other widget we released, just text us. We have a dedicated support email and we will usually reply in a couple of hours or at least as fast as possible. We're excited to see the questions. See you there.